to our captivating journey through the Golden State, California. Join us as we dive into the vibrant history, culture, natural beauty, and economic marvels that make California a global phenomenon. In this documentary, we will explore the fascinating history of California, its major cities and dynamic population, religious diversity and cultural richness, iconic airports, parks, beaches, and tourist hotspots, the economic powerhouse of California, its GDP and trade ports, the unique lifestyle and traditions of Californians, the striking deserts and their ecological and cultural significance, a showcase of California's most intriguing events and festivals. Before officially starting the video, I request all of you, my friends, that if you are new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This way, you'll be the first to get more videos like this. Thanks so much. Let's begin our journey. A glimpse into California's history. California's history is as diverse as its breathtaking landscape. Originally inhabited by Native American tribes such as the Chumash and Miwok, the state's rich cultural legacy predates European exploration. In 1542, Spanish explorers led by Juan Rodriguez Cabrillo arrived, marking the beginning of colonial influence. The establishment of 21 Spanish missions in the late 1700s, spearheaded by Father Junipero Serra, shaped California's early settlements. Then came a turning point in 1848. Gold. The discovery of gold at Sutter's Mill triggered the legendary gold rush, drawing hundreds of thousands of fortune seekers. This transformative event catapulted California into statehood on September 9, 1850, paving the way for its rapid rise to greatness. Major cities in population California is home to some of the most renowned cities in the world. Los Angeles, the city of angels and the heart of Hollywood. With a population of nearly 4 million, LA is a cultural melting pot like no other. San Francisco. With its iconic Golden Gate Bridge and steep hills, this city is a hub for technology and innovation. San Diego. California's beach paradise, boasting pristine shores, historic Old Town, and attractions like SeaWorld. Sacramento. The state capital, rich in political and historical significance. Fresno and Bakersfield. The backbone of California's agricultural empire. With a total population of approximately 39 million as of 2025, California is the most populous state in the U.S. Religious diversity and culture. California is a true cultural mosaic where people from all walks of life celebrate diverse faiths and traditions. Christianity. With large Catholic and Protestant communities, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, Buddhism, each contributing to the state's spiritual tapestry. California's festivals are as colorful as its people. San Francisco's Chinese New Year Parade, a dazzling celebration of tradition and joy. The Holi Festival, a vibrant explosion of color and culture. Dia de los Muertos in Los Angeles, a heartfelt tribute to ancestry and remembrance. And let's not forget California's legendary food scene. From authentic Mexican street tacos to Michelin star sushi, Ethiopian cuisine, and farm-to-table delights, California is a foodie's paradise. Iconic airports, parks, beaches, and deserts, world-class airports, LAX, SFO, and San welcome millions of travelers each year. Majestic national parks, Yosemite, with its towering cliffs and thundering waterfalls. Sequoia, home to the largest trees on Earth. Joshua Tree, a surreal desert wonderland. California's deserts, nature's masterpieces. Mojave Desert, home to Death Valley, the hottest place on Earth. Badwater Basin, at 282 feet below sea level, it's the lowest point in North America. Anza Borrego Desert, a spectacle of springtime wildflowers and ancient petroglyphs. 840 miles of stunning coastline. Santa Monica, Malibu, Laguna Beach, and Big Sur. Each a slice of paradise for surfers, sunbathers, and adventurers alike. Economic powerhouse, California's economy is a giant. GDP, over $4 trillion. If California were a country, it would be the 5th largest economy in the world, bigger than the UK and India. Silicon Valley, the epicenter of global tech innovation, home to Apple, Google, Tesla, and more. Central Valley, the breadbasket of America, producing 1/3 of the nation's vegetables and 2/3 of its fruits and nuts. Ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach, among the busiest in the world, fueling global trade. Annual tourism and iconic spots. Every year, over 250 million visitors come to California to experience its magic. Disneyland Anaheim, the happiest place on earth. Universal Studios, Hollywood, a behind-the-scenes look at movie magic. Alcatraz and Fisherman's Wharf, history and charm in San Francisco. Napa Valley, the ultimate wine lover's paradise. Pacific Coast Highway, one of the most scenic drives in the world. Yosemite and Lake Tahoe, a nature lover's dream with breathtaking landscapes year-round. California's events and festivals. The Rose Parade, a dazzling floral spectacle. Sundance Film Festival, a platform for cinematic brilliance. The Tour of California, a thrilling cycling race. Monterey Jazz Festival and Coachella, epic celebrations of music and culture. California's unique culture. California is a trendsetter, a melting pot of creativity, innovation, and adventure. Southern California's surf culture embodies the state's love for the outdoors. The Bay Area's tech revolution drives the future of innovation. Festivals like Coachella and Burning Man fuel the art and music scene. Sustainability, wellness, and eco-friendly living define California's modern lifestyle. Closing remarks. California is more than just a state. It's a world of its own. From its rich history to its modern-day achievements, the Golden State continues to inspire and amaze. Whether it's the towering redwoods, the innovation of Silicon Valley, the glitz of Hollywood, or the stunning deserts, California has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us. And remember, California is waiting for you to explore its wonders. Blast off palm tree. This was our beautiful video for today. How did you find today's information? Do let us know in the comments section. We will meet you soon in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye.